Hello there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this PowerPoint template infographic which is animated in PowerPoint. So let's start. First of all, we are going to open up a slide in which we are going to insert a circle and go to format background, format shape. From here we're going to change its fill to pink color. Next, remove its outline, go to shadow, and from here let's give it this last a 9th number shadow. Now you have to press Ctrl and then drag it to the right side to make a duplicate copy of it. Yeah, like this. Now let's just decrease its size a bit. And then let's change its color to white and give it that shadow on the 6th number. So next we are going to just decrease its size and fit it into the circle. And then what you're going to do is just put it right here and duplicate that white circle by pressing Ctrl and then drag it to the right side, and then give it this shadow of the different opposite side to what you gave before. Now what we're going to do is change its fill to white, and then we are going to give it a light white fill, and what we're going to do is just put it back onto there. Now let's make more duplicate copies of that shape and group each one of the elements onto each of the circles. Now let's add a text box. Now we are going to add the text in it. And then we are going to add icons. And we're going to put the icons in each of the shape. Like this, and then increase their size. And then change their fill, and then add your text and other stuff. And then what we're going to do is give them animations. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. You can get this template for free from the link in the description below.